All right, so you guys find the note sheet that we were working on before? So this was our last class, right? We were talking about slope intercept form. And just like we were just cracking. So when I go down to the next section, notice these problems are, in fact, the same ones we were just looking at on the board. So just to give it to you in your notes, some are the same, some are different. So problem number one, if we want to put this into slope intercept form, again, that means we have to solve this for y, because right now it's in standard form. I got to make it look like these guys up here, okay, where it's as y equals something. So for the first problem, I want to get y by itself, so I'm going to add 3x to both sides. I'm sorry? Okay. So I add 3x to, I'm sorry, subtract 3x. Yes, you were right. Subtract 3x. Thank you. Subtract 3x from both sides. So those cancel out, and I have negative 2y is equal to negative 3x minus 16. And again, I cannot combine those two things, so I just keep them separate, and I usually write the x first. Now we'll divide everything by negative 2. And so I usually like to put that underneath each one so I don't forget. We get y equals 3/2 x, because the negative divided by negative will be positive. And negative 16 divided by negative 2 is positive 8. All right, problem number 2, we have not done this one, so let's do problem number 2 together. Again, I want to get y by itself, so I'm going to move that 13x over by subtracting 13x from both sides. So we have negative 11x, I'm sorry, negative 11y is equal to negative 13x minus 12. Now I'll divide both sides by negative 11. And we get y equals 13 over 11x plus 12 over 11. All right, problem number 3. Okay, I'll subtract the 9x over. And we get negative 7y is equal to negative 9x minus 7. Then we're going to divide everything by negative 7. And I get y equals 9/7 x plus 1. So again, that negative 7 divided by negative 7 will be positive 1. Okay, any questions yet on the first 3? All right, I'm going to do 2 more, and then I'm going to have you guys do one. So problem number 4, I'll subtract the x over first. So we have negative 3y equals negative x plus 6. And do not combine those. They're not like terms. Now we divide everything by negative 3. And we get y equals. Now this one looks a little weird. We have negative x over negative 3. So remember, negative x is like negative 1x. So that's going to be a positive 1 over 3x. And then 6 divided by negative 3 is negative 2. Right, very good. All right, problem number 5. We're going to add the 3x over to the other side. So we have 6y is equal to 3x plus 12. And then we're going to divide everything by 6. So y is equal to 1/2 x because 3 over 6 is 1/2. Plus 2 because 12 over 6 is 2. All right, would you guys try the last one? Okay, we'll go over that in about a minute. Try the last one. Okay, you guys are doing well. So again, this is a little different because we have to move the 16 over first. Doesn't have to be first, but just to make it look like the other ones. So we're adding 16 to both sides. So I have 4y minus 2x is equal to 16. Now I'm going to add the 2x over. So I'll do plus 2x on both sides. So we have 4y is equal to 2x plus 16. Now we divide everything by 4. And so y equals 2 over 4 is 1/2 x. And 16 over 4 is 4. So we get y equals 1/2 x plus 4. All right, any questions, guys?